Ever wondered if your monthly subscriptions are silently draining your bank account? You're not alone. With countless streaming services, software trials, and recurring payments, it's easy to lose track of where your money's going. That's where budgeting apps like PocketGuard come in. But does it really keep tabs on your subscriptions? Let's dive in. Understanding PocketGuard. PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that helps you manage your finances. It categorizes your spending, tracks your income, and provides insights into your financial health. But one of its key features is its ability to identify and track subscriptions. How does PocketGuard track subscriptions? PocketGuard uses a combination of advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze your bank and credit card transactions. It looks for recurring charges, such as monthly fees for streaming services, software, or gym memberships. By recognizing these patterns, the app can automatically categorize these expenses as subscriptions. The benefits of tracking subscriptions with PocketGuard. Enhanced financial awareness. By identifying and categorizing your subscriptions, PocketGuard gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. You can easily see which subscriptions are essential and which ones you might want to cut back on. Budgeting made easier. With a detailed breakdown of your subscription costs, you can allocate a specific budget for these expenses. This helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. Automatic savings. PocketGuard can even help you save money by automatically canceling unused subscriptions. The app can identify subscriptions that you haven't used in a while and suggest ways to save money. Personalized insights. PocketGuard provides personalized recommendations based on your spending habits. It can suggest ways to reduce your subscription costs, such as bundling services or negotiating better deals. Limitations and considerations. While PocketGuard is a powerful tool for tracking subscriptions, it's important to note that it may not catch all of your recurring expenses. Some subscriptions, particularly those that are manually paid or not directly linked to your bank account, might not be detected by the app. To ensure accurate tracking, it's recommended to manually add any missing subscriptions to PocketGuard. This can be done by creating custom categories and manually inputting the transaction details. PocketGuard is an effective tool for tracking your subscriptions and gaining better control of your finances. By automating the process of identifying and categorizing recurring expenses, the app can help you make informed decisions about your spending habits. While it may not be perfect, PocketGuard is a valuable asset for anyone looking to save money and improve their financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.